Hi little builders, look at all these packs we've got to open today. Let's get to it. So we're opening packs today from one of Cooper's favourite teachers, Miss Janine. Thanks Miss Nini for all the packets to open, and let's hope we get gold. Alright, the first one is Dad. It's a double up. The next one is, oh, it's the microwave. We got the microwave, so that's a double up. Next one is, what's it gonna be? Oh, it's Mum. We got Mum. Next, it is Daughter. We've got Daughter. Next is Son. We got Son. That's a double up. Next one is Daughter again. Yeah, we got you. Double up. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Ugh. Groceries. We've got that one. Next one is Dad. We got Dad. Come on, gold. It's Grandma. And we've got this one, but I'm not going to open it in this video. I'll open it in the next one. So what I need you to do is press the like button for this video, hit subscribe, and don't forget to tap the notifications bell so you don't miss out when I put out another video, and I'll see you in the next one.